Canvas has a few cool things coming our way, so in this video we're going to go over each one of those quickly and talk about what they're for. So the first thing coming our way is course visibility. Not only course visibility, but content visibility. Coming up, we'll be able to set the visibility for our course and or content to the course level, institution level, or public level. So different course levels, permissions of visibility coming our way, so kind of cool. The gradebook. One cool thing with the gradebook is sometimes we do what is called fat fingering when entering grades, and that is when you accidentally press two numbers at the same time and enter a grade that is not desirable. Sometimes that grade is way high. Canvas will now generate a notification if you accidentally fat finger a grade or put a grade in that's just simply way too high. And here's an example of that. You'll notice the notification here says this student was just awarded an unusually high grade. So kind of a cool feature coming our way in Canvas. Another one, you can set your notifications. If you click on your little picture or the circle in the upper left hand side, you have a drop down there. You can select how you receive notifications. The way notifications were set up in the past was that they were all white except for the one that you select. The one that you select would be a dark color. They're flipping that around to where all of the selections are dark and the selection that you highlight will show up in a light color. Kind of trivial, but there it is. Alright, the next one is if you have a student call you and they needed to take a quiz and for whatever reason they were kicked out and not able to complete that quiz, chances are they'll come begging for you for one more chance to take that quiz. If you go into the moderate quiz option and you decide that you are going to give this particular student another chance, sometimes you have a lengthy list of students to choose from. Canvas has made it to where you can jump to that student rather quickly. There's a search option at the top of the moderate quiz page. You can just simply type in their name and quickly jump to their name, get into that quiz, and allow them one more attempt. So kind of cool, making it Canvas trying to make it a little quicker and easier for us to locate people when trying to help them out. Another one, similar to the gradebook, we have the speed grader. If while you're in the speed grader and you're entering grades, again, if you accidentally fat finger a grade and it's way higher than it should be, you will get a notification within the speed grader saying this student was just awarded an unusually high grade. That way you can correct the issue right then and there. So again, two places you'll get those notifications is in the speed grader and or in the grade book. Okay. Other than that, the last thing of note here is that if your students turn in any kind of video submission through Canvas, you now have the ability, or you will have the ability, to view that submission, that video assignment in full screen. That way the student gets your full attention. Okay. So that's it for things that we have coming our way. Of note, a couple of other smaller things, some color changes, rich content editor, things like that. Not super huge. Some of these may be useful, others not so much, but that's what we have coming our way in Canvas. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you later.